Do you prefer living in an old building or a modern house?
Leo Fenn.
I prefer living in a modern apartment because it feels practical. It has reliable plumbing, large windows, and better soundproofing. I enjoy the character of old buildings, but wouldn't live there.
Leo Dion Wu Fen.
I'd prefer a modern apartment because reliable plumbing makes everyday life much easier. Large windows give me plenty of daylight, and good soundproofing means better sleep. I enjoy visiting old buildings for their character, but I wouldn't live there.
Chu Fen.
I'd definitely choose a modern flat because reliable plumbing makes everyday life much less stressful. Large windows and proper soundproofing also matter to me, especially when I'm working from home. Although old buildings have real character, I'd rather visit them than deal with drafts or constant maintenance.
8.5 分.
I'd definitely choose a modern apartment, mainly because reliable plumbing, large windows, and proper soundproofing make everyday life far more comfortable. Old buildings certainly have more character, and I love visiting them, but their charm can wear thin when repairs become a constant headache. So, while I'd happily spend an afternoon in a historic house, I'd rather come home to somewhere bright, quiet, and dependable.
Practice every day. Keep speaking.